everyone! I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and address a few common keto myths. So first of all, what are some common myths that you often encounter regarding ketones and ketosis? One of the most common myths that I encounter is that ketones are not a normal part of our physiology or that they are inherently bad. So ketones are an alternative energy substrate that our bodies use in totally normal circumstances. So it's true that in today's society, because of the type of diet that most people do consume, most people don't have many ketones floating around in their blood. But for our species and most species on the planet, ketones are a totally normal part of physiology. They're made in circumstances when either food availability is low or carbohydrate intake is reduced, and that causes us to create ketones in our liver. So ketones in and of themselves are a very normal part of our physiology, and it's only really been in the past short amount of time that humans have kind of silenced this side of our physiology by consuming a diet that's much higher in simple carbohydrates and eating much more calories and eating more regularly than our ancestors did. So that's one myth, is that ketones are just abnormal, but they're not.